It's Wrap Friday. So let me show you what we're going to be wrapping today. This one right here. So easy. Anyone can do it. Don't be afraid to wrap because it's the easiest and the most fun thing to do with your hair if you've had it down for the entire week. So this is when you kind of, just play around with different colors and just bring that pop to your outfit. This is going to be my head wrap for the day. So you fold it in half like that, and then you look for the smooth edge, and like I said, you just take it all the way back. Just take it back like this and make sure that you are securing your ear right where you want it to be. If you want to tack all the way down and don't want to wear earrings, that's fine. But if you want to put some kind of accessory, if you just want to expose your ears a little bit, that's where to kind of fill your fabric. You will push this piece that keeps dropping to my face to the back like that. See? Keep pushing it all the way to the back to create room. You'll see why. So now this is the time to tie my two pieces of fabric. I'm gonna just pull like so. Make sure they're in the middle right there. Once I pull, now one of these pieces is going to come in here. Just come in there. You can work around it, find what works for you or for your style. If it comes loose, just fix it a little bit. Tuck in everything, make sure there are no straps showing. And then the other one, remember the rough edges, you can always fold them down like this, and then you're gonna grab it and bring it all the way to the front right there. Make sure there are no frills showing, and then I'm gonna see what I did. You're gonna take this and flip it around like so, and then bring it to the starting point and just tack it right there. Like I said, you can just play around with this, figure it out, see where it feels or looks best for you and your look. And like I said, you can always lift this part to give you room to put some earrings. I'm just gonna show you this because this is also a sneak peek of what we're gonna have online tomorrow. So you get to see it first. See, that's one of the benefits of coming to Wrap Friday, because you always get to get the sneak peeks of all the things that we have coming up online. You can save this, share with a friend. So this is how you would rock this piece. For me, I wouldn't really even throw in earrings. I'll just rock it without. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something. I hope you will have fun doing it yourself. Leave a comment down below. Tag us if you wrap it, and let us see how you did it, and also share some tips if you have some. Okay, see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow us right here on Instagram, and also subscribe and check us out on Facebook. Stay blessed, stay focused, and stay fabulous.